creek.
It's a creek?
Yeah.
Seriously? Oh, dude, it is so chilly right here. Wow. That's a nice. You wouldn't expect to see that in the desert.
Wow. I bet during the day there's all kinds of wildlife here.
Yeah. Well, guys, we on our way back to the hotel, and we just ran across a wild pack of donkeys. What in the world?
They look like miniature donkeys.
That's so crazy. They're just chilling. Wow.
I'm surprised I saw that.
Yeah.
I had to back up like
It's like
500
goats.
feet.
And I'm like, oh, what? Yeah.
Mountain goats.
Mountain goats.
Nope. Donkeys.
Nope. Bunch of jackasses. We just pulled into our place that we're staying, and there is a little fawn and a doe. Wild deer. Just in the parking lot of where we're staying. Alright, so we're back here at this place we're staying at. It's like 3 a.m. so we're gonna get like 3 hours of sleep and then hit it hard again in the morning out where that creek was. So yeah, that's gonna be good. Basically, the way we're gonna be doing our sleep thing is gonna be we get 3 hours of sleep, hit it hard for 6 or 7, get a bite to eat, 3 hours of sleep, hit it hard for 6 and 7, and then just keep kind of doing that whole thing. So we just got out of some good spots. So I'm very, very hopeful for tomorrow. It's looking like good, especially where we found that creek. Looks like there should be a lot of life there. So it's cold as crap. Get it. Oh my god. Wow. Nothing there. There it is. Sloan Conservation Area, Valley of Fire. Red rock stick. They can actually squirt blood out of their eye. Is a California king snake. What is this day? Alright, so we found a creek today, as you guys saw, and found this spot right here that looks absolutely amazing. So, and the creek actually runs through it. So we're thinking when there's water in the desert, you know, why not give it a shot and see if there's any life around there. It seems like it would be a good spot for things to be kind of crawling around. So just want to give it a shot and see how it goes. Everything hurts you out here. It's ridiculous. Literally everything. I'm gonna head up this way. I don't know what was on here. Scurried away. Damn, these things are quick. Completely underestimated how quick these lizards and just overall everything out in the desert is. I mean, it makes sense. It's got to move fast to survive, but Jesus. It's ridiculous. There was a lizard in here. I don't know where he went though. Wow! Holy crap! All right, come over here, right here. This way. That is a male and a female praying mantis in the middle of doing a deed, which is so unreal. Dude, look.
We gotta watch her.
Yeah, two. What they do is battle each other. The winner obviously gets to mate with the female, and the female being the one, the big, beautiful gray one on the bottom. And these guys just get to spectate, I guess. I guess they're judging. They're gonna give them a score from 1 out of 10, maybe. I know it's not herps, guys, but still, that's
awesome wildlife.
That's pretty awesome wildlife right there. Got some more wild deer in the road. Pretty cool.
I knew this would be a perfect place for wildlife.
Okay, right there, that pattern right there, that's a lizard. I don't know what kind it is, but he is in there. There he is, see him? There he is. Finally got a herp on film. Nice. You guys let me know in the comments what that is. How? How did he do that?
He's back under that rock. Yep, right behind you. Okay.
Where'd he go? He was just right here. Literally, he was just right here. Oh! God, catching these lizards is annoying. He was just right here too. There he is. No! Holy crap, finally. Finally got... Oh.
Western fence lizard. Whose only job is not only lizarding, but it's also an acrobat. And Jordan is not happy. We need that stick.
We missed 10 of those.
Yep.
I mean, big lizard.
I saw it. The thing was massive. At the other side, right here.
Huh?
Right over here.
Over there?
He's right next to the rocks. Big rock.
Huh? Where? Do you see him?
I saw him scurry over there.
Oh, he's under that embankment. Damn. Hey, Ronnie. Be nice if you let me catch you. You're real swell. Can we do that? Can we be friends? So guys, right here, this is a western fence lizard.
I see him.
I do too.
He's way down there.
Where'd he go?
Oh, that's not him. That's the leaf.
God. Look at this. You don't find these every day.
Wow, it's missing a leg.
Oh, it's right there.
It lost its leg.
It lost its leg.
I bet it was a smelting accident.
Probably. Well, I'll leave this here for nature to take its course and for something to eat them. It's just the way of life, you know, guys. Just circle of life. It sucks. Those are rare. They're really rare.